This is the Bonnie Brae Phase 2 Vintage Boulevard project. This is one of 7 phases along the Bonnie Brae corridor. With this project, we are partnering with Denton County for the construction costs. Phase 2 began in January of 2020, and the project contract time will run until April of 2021. This project includes widening from 2 lanes to 4 lanes, an entire drainage system, street lighting, a 10-foot sidewalk along the north side of Bonnie Brae, and a 5-foot sidewalk along the south. One of the primary goals of this project is to increase connectivity between I-35 and US 377, and also provide an access way along Bonnie Brae through town. The majority of the paving of this project takes place outside of the existing pavement, so we're going to have minimal impacts to traffic.